Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Share Market Look Ahead program for December 4th week. If you are watching the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel to get our regular updates. In the description of the video, there are two intraday option techniques. You can view it and can benefit of this techniques. If you have any doubts of that techniques, you can approach me in the comment box. I am ready to explain you for free. Get into this video for this week. This is our agenda for our discussion. So key global market news connected with Indian share market, which is the Red Sea crisis and COVID. Red Sea crisis, because of the recent terrorism attacks happen in the Red Sea. So there are many vessels being diverted, and that making impact across all the global exporters and importers, which is having the freight rates discussion of increasing, which may be upcoming days. If it is not smoothened, it will be an impact on the import and exports. Next is about the COVID-19 JN alert. So we can see globally there are numerous cases rising, so which is actually a drawback for the share market. We can see the similar scenario which happened in 2020 and how our global impact been happen. Hopefully, however, WHO have mentioned it's a low risk. We have to wait and watch for the further things to move ahead. Coming to Indian key market news and individual stock news. So as we mentioned about the COVID-19 cases, India is also strengthening their travelers verifications. So the government have informed that they have to do antigen test and other requirements, and keenly monitor the severely infected people among the respiratory illness. So currently there are 3,742 cases are active, and they are expecting there will be 4,000 mark, and there is some fatals been there in this COVID cases. Coming to stocks, Vedanta Arms, there is a subsidiary company of Vedanta, it's a Balco. They get 84 crore GST demand notice, which is for the year of 2017-18. It seems there is a non-compliance to the GST compliance. So for this, they have issued a notice. Maiden Pharma denies tampering with tests in probe of cough syrup deaths. This is one of the recent key news in the pharma sector, that this company is manipulating with the samples of the deaths that's been happened the recent times. So we have to wait and watch how it goes to prove that this Maiden Pharma cough syrup is genuine, or it's accepted by the pharma sector. UPL to raise 4,200 crores via rights issue. The company said that it will announce its record date for the issue at the later date. So this company is one of the underperforming company for the recent times, even the market rise. So this rights issue may support the company for further growth. The Central Board of Director Taxes have notified ITR forms, which is income tax return forms for the financial year 2023 to 2024, assessment year 2024 to 2025 in advance. There are two changes in the ITR 1 and 2. So this will be applicable for the financial year April 1st onwards. So what to expect in this week for the F&O Qs? So the market seems to be well consolidated for this week. We expect the range bound between 21,000 to 21,700 as per the expert analysis. However, there is a eye watch keep on bank loan growth. There is a data supposed to release, and the deposit growth, foreign exchange reserves data for India, so which will be released after market hours on 29th. So that will be a key data for the banking sectors. Coming to Nifty, as we said, that the meaningful calls been returned around 22,000 strike, where the maximum calls been returned, followed by 21,500 and 21,600. However, the meaningful calls been returned at 22,500, followed by 22,000 and 21,800. Put open interest we can see at 21,000, followed by 21,200 and 20,800. The meaningful put writing been at 21,300, then at 21,200 and 21,400 strike. So as we mentioned, we can see the range bound this week, as there is a 1 day holiday. Monday, tomorrow is not a trading day, so we have 4 more days for this week and for this year as well. We hope it will consolidate between 21,000 to 21,700. For Bank Nifty, we are expecting the support at 46,600 and the resistance at 48,200. As of Friday, it's closed at 47,500 around. So India weeks also getting higher, which is around now 13.5 level, which is really a panic thing. So once we have to get stabilized, the India weeks have to cool down. So stock recommendations, we have Siemens, the next 50 company recommended by 2 brokerages, Motilal as well and Prabhudas Lilladher. So Motilal is bullish, having a target of 4,600, and Prabhudas Lilladher is having a target of 4,359. Current trading price is 3,955. So this stock I'm also keeping in my watch list. If it come down, I have a consideration of investing in this stock. So Prabhudas Lilladher is bullish on JB Chemicals and Paramedicals. They set a target of 1,800. Currently it's trading at 1,618. So FII and DIA data for the last week, as we mentioned, the foreign investors have sold for 6,300 crores. Domestic institutions have brought for 8,900 crores. So overall, the institutionals were net buyers for the week, and FIIs were bigger than the DIs in terms of purchasing in the cash market. We have to wait and see for this week. Either the FIIs are going to be a continuous sellers, or they will be changing into buyers. That will create a momentum for our Indian market. So oil prices and currencies. So Indian forex reserves jumps 9.12 billion, where it was before 606.85 billion. Now it's 615. That was good for Indian reserves. So oil seems to be stabilized at $73 with Brent and 79 for the US Brent. So we can expect it will be trading in this range for this week. So gold is keep appreciating, as we can see the rate cut been by the Fed, and as well as by the stabilized in the Indian rate cut as well. So which increasing the gold to move higher. So these are some corporate actions for the week 25 December to 29th December. There are few companies declared their dividends, and standard capital markets have declared bonus as well as the stock split, and Canfin Homes declared their dividend, and HMA Agro have declared a stock split. NMS Global having their EGM, which is extraordinary general meeting. Vedanta having its dividend 11 rupees. So we have mentioned the ex dates as well on record date. So someone holding the stocks, please take a benefit of it. For new IPOs and listed news, there are 8 companies will be listed during this week. So Muthoot Microfin and Motisans Jewelers and Suraj Estate Developers will be listing on December 26. Happy Forgings, RBZ Jewelers and Credo Brands will be debut on December 27th. Azad Engineering will be listed on December 28th. Innovo CapTab will be on December 29th. So that's it for today. I hope this week will be a good week, and for the option sellers, if it is consolidating week, that will be that they can make some money. So if this video is beneficial, please like our video, share to your network, subscribe the channel and press bell notification to regular update. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.